Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Afan Ali and welcome to my channel for learning. And today my topic is Earth and its layers. Question number 1, what is the Earth? And question number 2, what is the internal structure of the Earth? Question number 1, what is the Earth? Answer, Earth is a spherical planet that spins in the space and orbits the Sun. It's the third planet from the Sun and the fifth largest planet in our solar system. Earth is rocky like Mercury, Venus and Mars, and it's the only planet in our solar system that can support life. It has water on its surface, oxygen, and the right temperature for life. Question number 2, what is the internal structure of Earth? Answer, we need more information about Earth's internal structure due to the longest distance from its surface to center, which is around 6371 kilometer. So we get help from phenomena to know about the internal structure of the Earth. Through such information, we came to know the internal structure consists of following three layers. So, there are three types of earth layer, which are number 1, earth crust, number 2, the earth mantle, number 3, the earth core. Number 1, the earth crust. The outermost layer of the earth is called the crust. It is made up of a thin layer of rock. The depth of it varies from 8 km to 40 km. Due to the unequal distribution of relief, the crust is further divided into two parts. Number 1, the continental crust, and number 2, the oceanic crust. The continental crust. It comprises land masses called continents. Its maximum depth is 40 km. It is also known as Sial because it comprises of silicon and aluminum. Silicon symbol is Sl and aluminum symbol is An. Number 2, the oceanic crust. The part of the crust that consists of ocean bed is called the oceanic compost of the silicon, magnesium and iron, known as a SEMA. Its maximum depth is 8 km. The mantle. The layer beneath the crust is known as the mantle. It consists of two layers. Its depth is 2900 km. Its upper part is in a molten state, while the lower part is solid. The temperature in the mantle about 800 centigrade to 1600 centigrade. Upper mantle. The upper mantle is partly molten. The thickness of this part about 400 km. This part is composed of silicon and magnesium. The crustal plates are drifting on these layers. Number 2, lower mantle. Upper mantle is solid. Its thickness is about 2500 km. The temperature ranges from 800 centigrade to 1600 centigrade. The core. The core is the innermost layer of the earth, mainly used of iron and nickel. That is why it is also called knife. Its depth is about 6370 km. The temperature in the core is about 5000 centigrade to 6000 centigrade. The core is further divided into two parts, outer core and inner core. Number 1, outer core. This layer lies under the mantle that is liquid from which is comprised of iron and nickel. Its width is about 2250 km. Number 2, inner core. This part is the core of actually center of the earth that is comprised of nickel and iron, so it named as knife. It is with about 1220 km. Average temperature of this layer is about 5200 centigrade, but it is still in solid form. Thank you. I will back soon with another informative video. Allah Hafiz.